Some people don't believe bumpers are necessary. Others use cheap knockoffs that crack under pressure. These things take a beating, so if you have pride for your store, protect it the right way with McCue. McCue bumpers are easy to install and come in several different designs, including the sleek, streamlined bumper, the versatile flex bumper, the sophisticated edge bumper, and the one I bump into in my dreams, the stainless steel bumper. Most bumpers fit into the same mounting base, which makes it simple to switch between styles. McCue manufactures its bumpers using an insanely durable engineered polymer called polycarbonate. It's the same thing safety goggles and hard hats are made out of. Oh yeah, and riot shields. Then, using math and science and other stuff, they engineer the bumpers to absorb and dissipate impacts. So yeah, it can take a hit and look freaky good doing it. Upon seeing the bumpers, 9 out of 10 people said, "Damn!" Their seamless, streamlined design provides a contemporary look that customers appreciate and store managers are downright proud of.